Hi, my name is Vibeke and welcome to Diving Dogs Crochet. So we all know it, we're going for a walk and we have the dog in one hand and our phone in the other hand. But what about the glass? I know, real life problems. So today I want to show you how to crochet a wine glass holder. So from now on you don't have to worry about that. It goes perfectly with your wine bottle holder, which I'm always carrying. But today I want to show you how to crochet this one. Let's get started. A little about the materials for the yarn. I've used this 100% cotton yarn in a lightweight 3. I will crochet with this double, so I will put 2 strands together and crochet as one. You can use a medium weight 4 instead and don't put it doubled. But I will use a lightweight 3 and put it double in a very white color. Then I've used a 4mm crochet hook, some scissors, and a tapestry needle. Start. So when I begin with putting the yarn double. I will take the strand from the inside of the skein and the one from the outside, somewhere, this one. So you don't have to have 2 skeins of yarn. You will simply put the 2 ends together as one. So find your ends, put them together and make a slip knot. So make a loop with the yarn, take the long end behind and grab it from the middle with your hook. And then chain 32. I will chain 32. It depends how big your foot is on this glass. It needs to be able to come through this one, but not fall through the top up here, which is a lot bigger. So I will chain 32. It fits my glass and I will show you in a minute. So just keep going. I now have 32 chains, and when I put them together and take my glass, it fits the foot. So this one is able to go through. I think it's a little big. I will remove some of the stitches. 32, 30, 28. So I will see if this one fits. Put them together. Yes, this fits much better. So 28 stitches for me. And you will make sure it will fit your bottom. Now I will connect the ends. So take the end, make sure it doesn't twist, like so, and put them together and make a slip stitch in the first chain. That's it. Then to begin this, I will chain 4. So yarn over, pull through 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then in this next stitch, I will double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook and double crochet. Then I will chain 2, 1, 2, and in the next stitch, double crochet. Then again, chain 2, 1, 2, and find your next stitch, double crochet. So what we're doing now is that we are expanding a lot. So for each stitch, we are doing 3 stitches actually, because we are working 2 stitches in between. So we have the bottom of the glass right here. And then because it is going very wide, we will expand a lot. So continue all the way around between the stitches, make 2 chains, 1, 2, find your next one and double crochet. And just continue all the way around with 2 chains, then a double crochet. So now when we're all the way around, we can now begin the next row. I don't know the math, but there is a lot of stitches now. We will finish with a chain 2, 1, 2, and then in this first gap we meet, we double crochet. So just insert the hook directly into the gap and double crochet. Then chain 2, 1, 2, find your next gap, this one, and double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook directly into the gap and double crochet. Then chain 2, find your next gap, insert the hook and double crochet into this. Find your next gap, chain 2 in between, always chain 2 in between the gaps, and then double crochet into the next gap. Alright, continue all the way around like so. When you're all the way around, you will just continue in spirals. So you see this next gap, this is a big gap. You just chain 2 and continue as you always do. Just do a double crochet in the next gap, chain 2, find your next gap. So this one over here, double crochet into this. So you see we just began a new row. So you have this first one and your second one, and you will just continue up here with your third row. So just continue in spirals until it goes far enough up your glass. You can try it on, just put it on your foot and take it up the glass, and then you can see it will lie like this. You can try it on as you go and see how far you want it up the glass. So just continue, chain 2 and double crochet in the next gap, around and around. I continue until I have 5 rounds, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with these little gaps. Then I try it on. It goes up about just above the middle of this glass. So now I will do the strap. I will just zoom in a bit, like so. I will begin with a slip stitch in this next gap, just to pin it down. And then I will do a single crochet in this gap as well. And then I chain 1. So yarn over, pull through. Then I turn, and then I have this chain right here. And then I have a stitch down here. I will now insert the hook this way through this little chain and then do a single crochet. And then you see this little loop down here. I will turn and then I will insert the hook in this little loop, which is 2 strands of yarn because I'm crocheting double-stranded. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2. Then I turn again, and then I have this little loop down here again, and now it contains 4 strands. Insert your hook through all 4, yarn over, pull through, so single crochet, yarn over, pull through, and then you see this loop again, which contain 4 strands of yarn. Push your hook through this and single crochet, so yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and you keep seeing this little loop. You will insert your hook through the 4 strands and single crochet, and this is called a Romanian cord. If you think I'm going too fast, I have another tutorial on how to do a Romanian cord, which will move a lot slower and show you in details exactly how to do the Romanian cords with tips and tricks if you have trouble doing this. But just continue crocheting through this little loop, and then you will have a long Romanian cord, and you just keep doing this until you think it's long enough. And then when you feel it's long enough, I've made mine 88 centimeters long, then you will cut the yarn, just leave some for sewing, and then pull the hook through this loop, like so. And then you find your little holder right here, and then you can attach, then you can attach this one on the opposite side with your tapestry needle. So just find this one, thread it, and then sew it on the other side. And then when both ones are attached, you find your glass, put it in, then you can slide it up. Whoops. And then you have your wine glass holder, and you can carry it in these two straps. So that's it. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. If you did, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you again soon. Bye!